back to Lower Keys Living. Today we're going to show you how to maneuver your boat in tight quarters like a pro. Anytime in tight spaces, I only use one engine. This gives me a nice, slow, very controllable speed. And with twin engines boats, you'll notice if you're only running one, they tend to fishtail. That engine's going to want to push the boat to the opposite side from the engine that you're running. In this case, I've got my port engine running, so it's going to want to push the boat off to the right. And we're coming up on our dock on the right-hand side. It's the gray seawall with the white fencing. And I'm going to be docking this boat just past the boat you see on the left-hand side in the top right view. So where I tie up is just about opposite from the boat there that you see. And I've got the bow camera set up because at this point, I'm only watching the bow of the boat through the entire turn. I never turn around and look at the stern. I know I've got enough room off my stern if I'm keeping the bow where I want it. So I included this bow shot on this, you're going to be seeing exactly what I'm looking at through the entire turn. And you'll see here, I'm just letting the boat drift past my docking spot. And then once I'm where I want to be, I put that starboard engine in reverse, which I did just there. And now I only use my port engine just in and out and forward periodically just to bump that nose of the boat around. That forward position is way more efficient with the propellers than in reverse. So things move faster in forward when you're making these turns, which is why it's only in and out and not, if you left it in forward longer, you would drive that boat forward into your dock or the space that you're looking to go. So here I have 90 degrees into my turn. And once I get lined up about where I want to be, that port engine will stay in neutral, and then I just use my starboard engine to crab walk the boat over to the edge of the dock. So I'm just working that throttle in and out of forward and reverse, and it just slowly creeps the boat around to the position I want to be in. And then once I get to be exactly where I want to dock, you'll see I put both engines will be in neutral, shut the engines down, and I just simply put my rope right around our first docking post. So here I'm just about lined up. You'll see I'm going to go into neutral here into just a moment. There it is. Engines are shut down, and I'm exactly where I want to be. That's how easy it is to maneuver these twin engines boats. Just get out there and practice a little bit, and you'll have this down in no time. It is one of the easiest things to do. It looks tight, looks intimidating the first time you're in a tight canal, but with a little practice, this is an easy thing to do. Hope you enjoyed this. Get out there on the water and enjoy your day on your boat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe and share our videos. Thanks.